Okay, so first thing we need before building our Shopify store is a subscription. So let me show you how to pick the right one in just 2 minutes. Go to the setting, click on plan, choose plan. So there are different plan options available like basic, grow, advanced, plus. So if you are a solo entrepreneur, go with the basic one. If you have a small team working with you, then grow is the better option. And if you want to build an international brand, mean you want to start selling in multiple countries, then advanced, go with the advanced option. And if you run a complex large scale business, then there is also the plus plan available. You can also check the complete details here. So I'm just going with the basic because it covers everything a new store needs. So just click on try basic. Add your card details. Just subscribe.